Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Can I tell you your name?
My name is C. Sanjana, sir.
What is your name?
My name is M. Lulsari.
And you?
My name is M. Kumarti.
Yes, my name.
Hello, Harshvardhan.
Okay. Good to see you all.
Yes,
Sir.
So I am here to ask you 3 sentences in Telugu,
Yes.
and you just translate into English. Okay. First sentence. ప్రపంచంలోకెల్లా అతిపెద్ద జంతువు ఏది? How you say in English? ప్రపంచంలో అతిపెద్ద జంతువు ఏది?
In world, which is big animal?
See. Once again.
In world, which is big animal? Which is the
Prapancham.
biggest animal in the world?
Which is the biggest animal in the world? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Sir.
Okay. Second one. నేను పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు నన్ను ఎవరు పట్టుకోలేరు.
When I am running,
When I am running,
One. Last one.
sir.
నేను పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు నన్ను ఎవరు పట్టుకోలేరు.
when I am running, anybody.
One by one. Yeah.
When I am running,
When I am running,
anybody
anybody won't. You?
When I am running,
Ah.
anybody won't catch.
When I am running, anybody won't catch. You?
When I am running, anybody.
You
When I
say.
am running, anybody will not catch me. Anybody running? Sir, I am running. Anybody will not stop me.
I am running, anybody.
I am running. When I am running, I will not stop anybody.
Okay, let me tell you. You tried well, but నేను పరిగెత్తినప్పుడు నన్ను ఎవరు పట్టుకోలేరు. ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎట్లా చెప్తారంటే నో వన్ కెన్ క్యాచ్ మీ వైల్ ఐఎమ్ రన్నింగ్. హౌ టు సే?
No one can catch me while running.
Shall we go for third one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, third sentence. ప్రపంచంలో నాకు ఇష్టమైనది అందరినీ ఇష్టపడడం. ప్రపంచంలో నాకు ఇష్టమైనది అందరినీ ఇష్టపడడం. We will say in English. ప్రపంచంలో నాకు ఇష్టమైనది అందరినీ ఇష్టపడడం. What? Your English?
I like in the world all are loving.
I like in the world all are loving. Then you?
In the world, one more say, sir. Let's send it.
ప్రపంచంలోకి వెళ్ళ నాకు ఇష్టమైనది అందరినీ ప్రేమించడం.
In world, anybody.
Good English. Then you? Say. You? Don't know. ప్రపంచంలో నా ఇష్టమైనది అందరినీ ప్రేమించడం. The best thing in the world is to love the other. Say.
The best love.
The best thing I like in the world is to love the other person or the other person. Okay? So that's good. You tried well, but you have to improve. English. That's how we cannot translate exactly what is there in Telugu. The same words we cannot take into English. We have to use certain phrases and structures. Okay, good. Thanks for joining. And next time better luck. Okay? Good.